Hello, I'm Siddharth Mandavia, Director of MGA and Associates.
Every year, India produces more than 1.5 million tons of electrical and electronic equipment waste. Scrapyards handle waste in a non-optimized, non-eco-friendly manner, which can pose serious risks to human health and the environment at large. MGA and Associates was formed in 2003 by a group of dedicated professionals with over 60 years of collective experience in the recovery and recycling of electronic equipment and components. It is now one of the largest professional processors in the e-waste sector in India.
I'd like to show you how MGA and Associates processes e-waste in an efficient, organized and environmentally friendly manner.
MGA and Associates have a presence in all metro cities and are accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once we have understood your company's requirements, we send our team over to your premises for equipment collection. Every piece of electronic equipment is barcoded for tracking purposes. After the pre-barcoding process, the equipment is then loaded onto secure closed trailers provided by our partners Logix Express, ready for transportation. Once the equipment reaches our facility in Kandla Special Economic Zone, a job number is attached to that particular consignment for easy on-site tracking of processes related to that job. Upon offloading the equipment, our in-house professionals segregate the IT equipment and waste into different categories of material. Our 40,000 square feet e-waste processing center has a high-capacity racking system for storing the segregated material. Up to 1 ton of material can be loaded onto a single pallet, and our racking system can contain over 1,000 pallets. Our e-waste management center has two 25 horsepower compressor machines with air tools imported from Snap-on USA, which our team of skilled employees utilize to dismantle all electronic equipment. Once dismantled, the products are again sorted into metals, printed circuit boards and high-grade scrap for their individual recovery processes. The Data Security Service is an exclusive service provided by MGA and Associates. If the client requires their confidential data on the discarded equipment to be destroyed, we provide the necessary data destruction facility and issue a certificate of destruction at the end of the process. All recovered base metals are sent to dedicated companies who melt, refine and make the recovered metals into ingots, billets and various other reusable products. These companies' processes are ISO certified while also adhering to environmental rules and regulations. Our state-of-the-art facility houses laboratories for research and development and temperature-controlled anti-static workspaces for computer IC desoldering. We are the first e-waste management company in India to have a unit for refurbishing chips. In our testing labs, each chip is checked and then vacuum sealed for shipping or resale. Refurbishing helps lessen the burden on the environment by recycling chips which would otherwise be discarded. All the high-grade material and printed circuit boards recovered by our processes are shipped to Xstrata Recycling Incorporated, one of the world's biggest metal recovery plants located in the USA. The plant utilizes efficient cutting-edge technology for reusing the printed circuit boards as a fuel source in the copper extraction process and can handle volumes of greater than 15,000 tons of printed circuit boards per day. Whereas scrapyards can process around 250 to 300 tons of e-waste annually, other companies generally average around 1200 to 1500 tons per annum. MGA and Associates, using our efficient ISO certified environmental norms compliant processes, can handle more than 6,000 tons of e-waste per annum. We are the only company currently in the e-waste management sector having an ISO 9001 and 14001 certification issued by Bureau Veritas, in addition to having a tie-up with Xstrata Corporation for electronic component recycling in a developed country.
Hi, my name is Rob Smith. I'm the technical advisor for MGA. We've been working with MGA for 4 years to develop WEEE treatment systems that are compliant in Europe and across the globe. The WEEE directive requires that companies treat waste in a certain way. Predominantly, the most important thing is that environmental compliance is achieved with all treatment methods. In a nutshell, you have to remove hazardous components from the electronic equipment. You have to ensure that base metals and precious metals are segregated. You have to remove plastics, and you have to ensure batteries and other items are removed through the treatment process. We're delighted to be working with MGA, who provide compliant treatment services for the globe.
I'm Graham Froggatt and I'm a Director of MGA and Associates. I've been involved in the electronic recycling industry for over 25 years. Here at MGA and Associates, we are able to provide the total solution for the recycling of electronic waste. Our research shows that India has become a dumping ground for e-waste. Our vision is to change that by targeting the Indian market and recycling the products to the standards that are set throughout the European compliance schemes.
At MGA and Associates, we are committed to handling e-waste in an organized, efficient and environmentally friendly manner. I am Siddharth Mandavia. Thanks for watching.